Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated Review. We're going to go over this simple silver stacking program and whether or not it is worth the investment to start stacking silver and building a downline with QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. And let's go ahead and get into this QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated review. So I have researched a lot of network marketing companies for precious metals, and I decided to go with QuickSilver because of a few reasons. Now, let me walk you through the back office real quick. Here's the back office right here. Something about QuickSilver that's interesting is if you have commissions in your wallet, they will actually use those commissions to pay for your membership rather than pulling it off of your card. So that's really cool. And then they have a done-for-you marketing system. If you wanted to access that, that's an additional $777. And then I also have my own marketing system that you can use in that I build for you and coach you with. So I don't recommend this specifically, but you can use this. And then they also have the ability to stack gold grams as well. So this is the front page. What matters is right here when you go to business, you're going to go to replicated site and go to my website. Okay, that's really all that matters when you first get started. You're going to go ahead and have your primary site right here and your shop. Okay, so within QuickSilver, let's go to the sales page. All right. So here is the sales page, the front video, and then we can scroll down. You can check out this information and stuff, but basically, what is QuickSilver? It's just a place to buy silver and a place to build a team that wants to buy silver as well. Okay, and it's only $10 per month for the membership, and I'll show you that in just a second. But if we scroll down, there's a challenge to save 16 coins in 90 days, and if you save 16 coins in 90 days, you're gonna be able to be on the Hall of Heroes. You can take your picture, and your picture can go right here. So if you stack 16 coins in 90 days, you'll be able to double the amount of meals that you're donating to feed my starving children, which is really good. And then it only takes 16 coins in 90 days to accomplish this challenge. And then again, your reward is that you are donating more meals to help feed my starving children. Okay, so that is the Hall of Heroes and the challenge. So right here we have the compensation plan video, and I'll explain more about the compensation plan. It's very simple. And then we have Feed My Starving Children again down here. Okay, so when you click on Get Started, let me explain to you. You're going to click on Wealth Ambassador. Okay, Wealth Ambassador, and then make sure that Justin Temple is your enroller ID. Maybe it will be my mom, Giovanna, but just go ahead and sign up right here with me. And when you scroll down, you will see right here the $9.97. So the reason I decided to go with QuickSilver is because the membership at another place is $39 a month or $60 a month. And so with that amount of money in difference, I can buy more silver with QuickSilver, right? So I can stack another troy ounce of silver because the membership here is only $10 per month, right? Very, very low cost. So that's why I decided to go with QuickSilver, is because the savings in difference so that I'm able to stack more silver. And if you don't know, the actual value of your silver stack is the weight of silver that you have. Just with a few ounces of silver more, it will far exceed the premium that you'll make on any premium coins or collector coins. So make sure to stack raw silver and bullion and rounds, and make sure to do it as cheaply as possible. So that's why I decided to go with QuickSilver, is because it's $10 per month. And then when we scroll down, they actually have a $7 per month option to get started. So that's what I really liked about QuickSilver, is you can get started for a very small amount of money and then start building your team and then upgrade to 1 coin a month, 2 coins a month, 4 coins a month, 10 coins a month, right? So you can actually get started in this business for about $17 per month. I think with shipping and handling, it ends up being like $20 per month total. Like this will end up being like $10 with shipping and handling, and then this will be $10. So like $20, you have your own silver business and you're building, right, for the lowest amount. That's why I really like QuickSilver, because it's very inexpensive to have your own silver business. And then if you do want to have the 1 coin, 2 coin, 4 coin, 10 coin, it's only $30 per month for the 1 coin. Now here's the challenge right here. Remember the Hall of Heroes, the Feed My Starving Children? So this is the challenge right here. So it says take the challenge, which means you're going to want to collect 16 coins within 90 days. So you can complete that challenge right away, or you can complete it on the 2nd month, or you can just grab the challenge package with 1 silver coin. This is what I grabbed because I wanted to be double qualified. When you grab the challenge package, you'll earn $40 per sale on the challenge package rather than $20 per sale. So you want to grab this and be double qualified because you're going to earn double the commissions, okay? So that's the order page. If we go to the compensation plan, is actually very simple. For this, you earn 10 points if someone buys this, okay? You don't earn any actual dollar commission, you just earn 10 points, which means actually it's very simple. When we look at the next, I'll show you the PDF, it'll make more sense. But if you have 2 people on your left that are on this level, and then 2 people that are on your right at this level, you'll actually be able to qualify for more commissions. So this is actually a really good thing to sell. It's actually really good to get people here. It's not a bad thing at all, and I'll show you how it benefits you. But you will only get paid $1 per coin right here, which is fine. It's not going to be that much, obviously. So you're going to get paid $1 per coin all the way up to the 10 coins. So the most you can make per customer is $10 per month on the Auto Wealth. And then if they buy any more coins, that would be through the shop. You'll earn 50 cents per coin in the shop. And then when we go down here, you earn $20 per sale on the challenge package, but if you're double qualified, which means you buy one or sell one, you'll earn $40 on the 159, okay? And then you get the 1 silver coin, right? So that'll be the 30 per month, and then you'll earn $1 per month on that. So if anyone joins here, you'll earn $40 plus $1 per month, right? You'll earn $40 plus $10 per month, okay? So that is the order page right there. Let me go ahead and go to the compensation plan PDF. Alright, so here's the PDF right here. Basically says the same thing I just said. Earn 20. If you're double qualified, earn 40. But I want to show you this right here. So even if you're selling the, the fractional saver, the $7 per month level, that earns you 10 points per month. Okay, so even if you're not making commissions on that very small level, if you get 4 people on that level on your left and 4 people on that level on your right, and then you're buying 2 coins per month, you're able to actually earn on levels 3 through 7. So, don't knock that little $7 level. It's actually really powerful because it will help you unlock more positions of income. All right. But anyways, this is very important. So again, you earn $20 per sale or $40 per sale if you're double qualified. So let's say you're double qualified, you earn $40 a sale. Let's say I join your team and then I make a sale, you'll make $10, right? And then let's say my team member makes a sale, you'll earn $10. Let's say their team member makes a sale, you earn $5, right? So it's actually a pretty generous compensation plan because if you're double qualified, you're earning $10 on 2 levels and then $5 on the rest of the levels. They could have knocked it down to like, 5, 3, 2, 1, something like that. But they actually kept it at 5 for 4 levels. So as if you build a team and your team builds a team and it keeps going, you'll actually be earning a lot of money from your downline. Now, no income results guaranteed. It takes hard work to build a business. If you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. And most people make $0 in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and MLM. But it's really cool that they actually have $5 for each one of these levels and then $10 for these 2 levels. So, for example, I have my mom positioned as my sponsor. So anytime I make a sale, she's going to earn $10, okay? So my mom's going to make $10 every time I make a sale. So that's what's really cool. If you can get someone above you that's, a family member, that's a really smart idea. And then we scroll down here and we have the wealth cycles, which means basically 100 points on your left, 100 points on your right. You earn $10 up to $20,000 per month. So points are not necessarily the members that you bring in, but the amount of product that they also buy. So if you have one person buying 10 coins a month on your left and one person buying 10 coins a month on your right, that means you'll earn $10 every month extra on them, right? So you don't need to get 10 people. You can have one person at the 10, one person at the 10. That's 2 people at the 10. You'll earn an extra $10 a month. And then also we have the ranks, which you earn additional income on. So my goal is to help you get to about a level 3, which means you'll earn an extra $60 per month. And what that will do is pretty much pay for your membership, because the membership costs $30 a month. And then plus the 10, right? So 40. So if we can get you to level 3, which is basically just a handful of sales, you'll be able to stack free silver. Okay, that's my goal on my team, is to get you to a level 3, and that's, I'm going to help you build a funnel and everything like that. So on my team, let me show you the funnel that I help you build. So let me pause this real quick. Okay, so QuickSilver does have a marketing system. However, I build my own funnels and I help you brand yourself. So you're going to want a way better funnel like this. But here's my capture page that I'll build for you, and then this will be a video of you. When they click right here or they click the button, it'll have this name and email field. When they enter their name and email, it'll go right here. This will be a video of you. You'll make a video of you getting your QuickSilver box. You'll unbox it right here, and then I can actually put my video at the end of your video. I have a video editor, and I can go ahead and explain the team bonuses and explain how to get started. For you, I can make a generic version of this right here, and I can put it on the end of everyone's unboxing video, so that way it makes it really easy for everyone. You'll have your phone number, your pro email here, and then when the timer runs out, the button will show up. You'll have all these team bonuses that you can give away to your team. You can check out my website to see all the bonuses. When you click the button right here, it'll take them to your QuickSilver page, right? They can click get started, and boom, they become a wealth ambassador. Also, I set you up a bunch of emails. I set you up 30 follow-up emails to go inside of your autoresponder, going back to your thank you page that I build for you. The thank you page is the page that has the unboxing video that we talked about just a minute ago. So you'll have a bunch of emails in here, and I'll coach you on how to build your autoresponder out, how to send emails, and how to make videos just like this to generate more traffic to your front-end funnel that will promote your QuickSilver, so that you can stack free silver essentially using this program. So thank you so much click the link down in the description right now to visit my website, and I'll see you on the inside.